What is up? It's your boy Gwynny here, coming at y'all with another reaction video. We finna hop into episode number 4 of Reincarnated as a slime. But before I do that, I want to go ahead and say that 70% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed. And if you're part of that 70%, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Help us on the road to 1,000. Anyway, we finna hop to the reaction. Let's get it. To the kingdom of Dwarves. Yeah, that man like he dying going on that trip. That man looking like me on a damn roller coaster. Yeah, they said they got this. Bruh. Man, that boy dying. Bro, that's just, yeah, that man really did not level up at all after getting the name. God damn. There's a demon lord. Oh, you definitely gonna end up meeting him. For sure. That's definitely gonna happen. Armed nation. Oh. Bruh, this dude. Oh my gosh. This fucking dude. That's really all he thinking about. Bruh, he not even listen to the rest of the man's conversation. Undefeated for 1,000 years. God damn. So they go hard over there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. See, last time they picked a fight with him, what, did they not like goblins or something? They racist over there? Yeah, they really gotta go a long ways, damn. 3 days, goddamn, fast as fuck. 2 months to 3 days. Of course, they're chilling in a mountain. I feel like it's gonna draw attention already. And they got a bad feeling about this, don't they? Is that a horse person? What the fuck? Bruh, this dude, ain't no way that's how they actually look. Ah shit, here come regular humans. You about to get fucked up. Just go ahead and fuck him up. Just go ahead and fuck it up. I mean, hell, if they attacking you though. Oh, he about to yell. Oh shit, this shit about to hurt me too. Oh, he transformed into that. Tempest Star Wolf. Y'all really still want the smoke? Bro, I think you might just fuck him up already. Ah shit, here we go. And they really all attacking him. Oh my god. Them dudes that weak? Did you guys just do something? Oh my god. Aw shit, you alright. Aw fuck. Bruh. Just him yelling. God damn. Bro, he even laid out people behind him. Ah, shit. That might not be good. 16 fled. 68 confused. 92 fainted. 34 soiled themselves. Oh my god. Nah, fuck. Yep. Bro, this man already got locked up. God damn it. Aw, man. Ah, fuck. What now? Oh, see, that's where this man can come in handy. How dare you leave yourself, bruh. I mean, shit, y'all really have a choice? Yeah, so y'all don't even have time. Are you actually gonna stay there? I feel like there's no way he just stays in his cell. He might leave him in there though. Wow, he actually gonna stay in his cell. So far, this is going pretty well. But I already know in the back of that man's mind, he probably thinking himself like, yo, where the elves at? Where the elves at? Where they at, though? God damn. That's like a nice sword. Hygiene. God damn, that man kind of built too. Nah, fuck. Really? He one of those? Bruh. That man just baited him. Magic ore. Let me guess. This man has to go get a whole bunch of magic ore for him now, don't he? Oh, that's right. He already has a fuck ton of that. God damn, this man keep coming in handy all the time. Okay. Alright, bet. So we got a deal. God damn, that shit look clean as hell. In the image of its user. God damn. Actually, it's cool. Is he gonna be able to make these shits himself now? Bro, he can just copy them shit. Bruh. This dude is fucking broke. That is so overpowered. What the fuck? God damn. That's actually, oh, like, this dude is actually broken as hell. What the fuck? Oh. Bruh. This dude. Of course, this man gonna pull up. Man said this is what he been waiting for. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Oh, shit. Here we go. This is what he been waiting for this whole time. Oh, boy. Oh, my God. This dude in fucking heaven now. Oh, my God. But fun times never last long. Ah, shit. So what's about to go? Oh, that's the end of the episode right there. Oh. Damn. So I'm about to pull up on him. Yeah, so in this episode, they finally made it to the Dwarven city, and they met the armor smith or blacksmith. This man, this slime, bro. This dude is so overpowered. Man really just said, yo, let me hold that sword real quick, and made 20 copies of that shit just like that. Like, honestly, if this man wanted to, he could probably make a killing off of being a blacksmith. He probably could. And then he finally got to go see all the elves. Like, honestly, I thought this man was getting way too excited. I thought it was not going to be the way that he was expecting it to be. But hey, it actually turned out exactly how he expected it to be. That man said he was in heaven, bro. That man was like, bro, it's paradise. But of course, that shit not going to last that long. And got the person showing up at the very end there. So someone about to pull up on him in the very next episode. So that's going to be interesting. But anyway, if y'all enjoyed the reaction, please feel free to leave a like and a subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.